早上好，今天2020年5月5日星期二。So starter, I would like you to translate this 8 Chinese sentence into English. And purple challenge is write a sentence about when, like what time, about your lesson. So like my sentence is like 你几点有中文课? What time you have Chinese lesson? Okay, so the first one is what lesson do you have? Okay, so 你今天有什么课? So 今天 today, 什么 is what? 有 is have. So 你今天有什么课? And number 2, I have history, geography, science, and German today. So they are the subjects we have learned. So 我今天有历史、地理、科学和德文。第三，你几点有科学课? So you what time have science lesson? Okay, so what time do you have science lesson? 我上午9点10分有科学课. So this is the answer. So I have science lesson at 9:10 in the morning. 你星期几有中文课? So number 5. So when you have, what day do you have Chinese lesson? 我星期五下午3点半有中文课. So I have Chinese lesson at 3:30 p.m. because it's in the afternoon. 下午有中文课 and on Friday. 我上午10点有法文课. So I have French lesson at 10 in the morning. 11点20分有音乐课. So at 11:20 I have music lesson. So this is the 4 sentences I would like you to copy. Okay, so 西班牙 is Spanish. Okay, so 西班牙文 is Spanish like language. 你喜欢西班牙文课吗? Do you like Spanish? Class, 我爱西班牙文课因为有意思. I love Spanish because it's interesting. 你几点有西班牙文课? So what time you have? 我星期三11点10分有西班牙文課. So on Wednesday at 11:10 I have Spanish lesson. Okay, so this is it. Okay. So 西班牙文課, you have this 西班牙文課, right? And then the red one is the keywords like love, interesting, and the time. Okay, so can you choose the correct translation for each English sentence? So I have geography at 9 in the morning. So do you remember the Chinese time is specific, least specific to the most specific. So A should not be right. B can be right. No, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, which is not right. So C is right. Okay, so from big to small. So C, 我上午9点有地理課. Okay, and number 2, I finish lessons at 3:30 in the afternoon. So finish lessons, finish is we will teach you. But the point is that even you don't know, you can find the from big to small. Okay, so 下午3點半. So afternoon. So A cannot be right. Okay, and B and C is the time should be right after the subject. So it should be B. Okay, 我下午3點半放學, finish the class. On Wednesday, I eat lunch at 12. Okay, so from big to small. And if you judge from big to small, and just right after the subject, so it's A. 我星期三12點吃午飯. Number 4, I have music lesson at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so we repeat this. So again, right after the subject and from big to small. It seems A and B can be, but remember, 2 in front of the clock, which is a major word, should be 2, so it should be B. 我下午2點有音樂課. Okay, so this is new words. Actually, it's not new words, just like review 吃 to eat 吃汉堡包 right to eat hamburger 午饭 do you remember 午饭午 is noon so noon meal is lunch or dinner 吃午饭 to eat lunch 上学 so 上 is attend 学 do you still remember we learned 学 is to study so you attend the study so it means you go to school 放学 so 放 is to release so you release from the learning it means you are like what after the school okay so this is what we learned yesterday so country is 国 and then 人 is the nationality and then if a language for writing is 文 and if it's for speaking is 语 okay so this I also would like you to copy I didn't ask you to copy yesterday but I want you to copy today so I'll give you like 5 minutes okay it's quite easy okay so this is another self-instruction again I would like you to copy this and finish it with the blank so 你好我叫的我画 H 我岁我是英国人 so it's no problem everybody's English here 我说英文I speak English so 说 is to speak okay 我会说 I can speak some other language and then一点 is not 1 o'clock here if it's not specific and then it's another something with another noun it means a little something and then you can say goodbye 再见 okay so can you finish this okay today is more like writing okay that's all for today yeah it's more like writing so if I'm not sure yeah you can pause longer and then finish your writing okay see you tomorrow 再见